Okay.
Pop. Where, Daddy?
Let's just go find the elves.
Mika told me, Daddy, what? Someone kept turning her peaceful piano up. No, it was off, but I
There's
kept
Gary.
hearing that.
Right, should we do our trick, Mika?
That was annoying.
No. Are they going?
It goes with me.
Go there. Everyone go in there. Go. Go. Right, let's look for these elves. Look for these elves. They might not be in a box. Turn some lights on. Do you want me to turn that light on? I got it.
Why is Sparkle?
Oh my goodness. Foxy, look at your elf. Look, he's got a new hair. What else is there, Mika? What's that? You read it to us.
Dear Mika, Ari and Fox, it's me, Sparklefoot. The rest of the elves are super busy with Santa making lots of toys, but they promised they will try and get here before Christmas to see you all. They sent this little present for you and I hope you love it. Let the Christmas fun begin. Love, Sparklefoot.
What's the present? I think you should all open it together. Sit on the sofa and we'll open it. Foxy, look, the elves brought you a present. It's for everybody to share.
I'll open it.
Let him open the rest.
On the other side.
What is it?
A ball. And a carrot left behind.
It's a Christmas book. Wow.
Did they not say anything?
No, that's just pretty patterns.
Mika can read it. This book.
Oh, you have to write your names in there.
Yeah. For nursery.
Yeah, if you want to.
One snowy white evening.